Have you ever wanted your TV to disappear from the wall when it's off and be replaced by a beautiful painting? And then, when you again want the TV, it magically comes back. We have all secretly wanted it to happen, and though that's still far from reality, the Samsung Frame Smart TV is as close as it gets. The Samsung Frame is a TV when you want it and a painting when it's off. With the new 2021 model, Samsung has brought major upgrades to its frame lineup. Is the frame only about technical brilliance that creates a wow factor, or is it actually worth spending your money on? Let's take a detailed look at the Samsung Frame QLED 4K TV and find out answers to all these questions and more. The Samsung Frame is a definite eye candy. The updated 2021 model goes a step ahead in terms of a sleeker and compact look. Technically, it's 46% slimmer than the 2020 model, which is a huge improvement within just 1 year. The Samsung Frame indeed looks as sleek as a picture frame. In fact, don't be surprised if you mistake it for a frame on first look. The package comes with the TV unit, the thin wall mount setup, one Connect box, and the remote and power cables. The One Connect box is an incredibly thoughtful innovation that allows the frame to sit surprisingly close to the wall. The box contains all the connectivity ports, such as the HDMI ports, and is placed separately from the main TV unit. This makes it easy for a user to connect the TV to peripheral accessories and devices without having to disturb the actual TV unit from its mount. The new 2021 Frame QLED TV has bettered the 2020 model in almost every aspect except for the tedious installation process. The 2020 model had a single wall mount that made it super convenient to set up. However, the 2021 model comes with two wall mounts that need to be mounted at a fixed distance from each other. It's best done by a skilled technician, and you shouldn't attempt to set it up if you are not a pro. But the good news is that the mount puts the TV really tight into the wall, thus making it look like an actual painting. The dual mount also secures the TV more firmly to the wall. So barring the initial hiccup of setting it up, you will enjoy the new Samsung Frame. The Frame QLED 4K is powered by the Samsung Quantum 4K processor, which uses advanced AI algorithms to judge the ambient surrounding and adjust the video and audio output for an immersive viewing experience. The picture clarity is reasonably good, although it is definitely not as good as an OLED TV in terms of picture clarity and color reproduction. This shouldn't come as a surprise, as people don't buy a frame for an incredibly vibrant display. People buy it for its slim form factor that adds aesthetic value to your living room walls. The Samsung Frame offers 500 nits of peak brightness, which is great until you try watching the TV under super bright lighting. If you can control the ambient lighting around the frame, then you have nothing to worry about. If you are a game buff and looking to explore the gaming capabilities of the frame, then it won't disappoint you. It has a dedicated HDMI 2.1 port to connect the gaming console of your choice. In addition, features like Game Optimizer and Dolby Vision makes it an ideal gaming companion. Art mode is, of course, the highlight of the Samsung Frame. You can choose from over 1,400 pieces of unique art to display on your screen when the TV is switched off. You can choose to change the pictures periodically, choose photos from your phone gallery, or use the Samsung repository for the art of your choice. The display adjusts itself smartly according to the picture, such that it looks realistic and doesn't seem like a digital display. One of the other departments which has seen a major upgrade is the new customizable bezels. Samsung has quickly understood that the only reason people would buy the Frame TV over a superior OLED TV is the aesthetics. The frame has an added advantage of blending seamlessly with the wall as a piece of art. Therefore, you can now choose from a variety of customizable bezels that will make the TV look more like an art frame. The Samsung Frame remote doesn't operate on removable batteries. It has a USB-C port at the bottom and a small solar panel at the back that takes care of powering up the remote. The buttons give a smooth, tactile feedback when pressed. I would have loved to see backlight keys on the remote, which would have been a great accessibility option, especially at night. But the lack of backlit keys is understandable, as the remote is not powered by removable batteries and power efficiency takes prominence over backlit functionality. One of the UI features that I love about the Samsung Frame is the new Picture-in-Picture mode. In the PIP mode, you can split the screen into two halves and let each half perform different tasks. Imagine running Netflix on one half and playing your favorite game on the other. The Samsung Frame QLED 4K TV makes some compromises to become what it is designed for. You can also share your smartphone screen wirelessly and project it on one of the screen halves. It is not the best vibrant television display that is available in the market today, but it's not far behind as well. If you are looking for an ultra-slim TV that doubles up as a beautiful painting when the TV is not in use, then the Frame is the best you can lay your hands on. It offers unmatched aesthetics along with reasonably good display and audio quality at a unique and aesthetically pleasing form factor.